Good evening, student. So, in the previous classes, we were completing the exercises and question answer of chapter number 1. Fourth, where does it come from? And we have completed till till question and answer number 7th, and all the exercises I have given to you. So today I will give the remaining question answer, and I will also tell that which diagrams you have to make in your copy. But before making the diagrams and writing the question answer, you just, once again I am repeating, you have to make copy which is one side ruled and one side plain, and the copy which is both side ruled, I will not allow you to write in that copy. You have to take the copy which is ruled from one side and which is plain from one side. Another thing, you have to just write only the question answer and the diagrams and the activity which I will tell you, which one you have to write in your copy, and other than that you will not write anything in your copy. Again repeating, first thing, you have to make a copy in such a way that the copy should be one side ruled and one side plain. Second thing, you will write just only question answer, activity and diagram in your copy, and you have to make first page as index. You have to make first page of the copy as index, where you will write the name of the chapter and the date. Name of the chapter, date, page number and teacher remarks. You have to make 4 columns, and in first column you will write serial number. Second column you will write the name of the chapter. Third column you will write from which page number till which page number your copy you have completed your copy, and in fourth column you will write teacher remark. है ना? So till this much work you have to do. You have to make a very neat and clean copy. You will not overwrite anything. Try to write in very good handwriting. Okay? So just now we will see the question answer of chapter number first, the remaining question answer. So answer number 8th. What are herbivores animal? Give 3 examples and mention their special feature that help them feed. So this answer is given on page number 14. You can see here. So definition you will slide like this: animal that eat, you will start from here, animal that eat only plants and animal product are called herbivores. Vorous animal or herbivores, example cow, buffalo. These are some of the common herbivores. Then you will write the characteristics. So you can write the 3 characteristics. First, you will write from here, first characteristic: herbivores such as horses and cows have wide teeth at the back of their jaws to grind the plant material before it is swallowed. Second, you will write herbivores such as cow bring back previously swallowed food to the mouth for chewing it thoroughly. This helps them to absorb most of the nutrition from hard to digest such as grass. Third, you will write herbivores such as butterfly and hummingbird have a special mouth part that help them to suck the nectar from the flower. And if you don't want to write any one of these, or if you want to change, so you can write just this last one. When you will write this last one, you will not write this figure 1.6. You will omit this figure 1.6 and you will write the remaining points. So this is your answer number 8. Next, what are carnivorous animal? Give 3 example of carnivores and mention their special feature that help them feed. So this answer is again on the page number 14. So starting onwards, animals that eat flesh of other animal are called carnivorous animal or carnivores. Example: lion, tiger, vultures, etc. Characteristics. So I think so this was given in your assignment also, and if you want to just write, so you can write. First you can start from here. Carnivores such as tiger and lion. You will omit this figure 1.7. You will not write this figure 1.7. And then carnivores such as tiger and lions tear the flesh of their prey through sharp pointed teeth called canines and sharp claws. They also have powerful jaws. For this is your first point. Second, you will write from here. Carnivores such as birds, again you have to cancel this figure 1.8, hunt small animals and eat them. They have curved pointed beak that allow them to tear the flesh. These have special sharp claws called talons to hunt and catch their prey. Next, third point is, you can write this owl one. An owl either swallow its prey or tear down it into pieces before it swallowing. And next 3 points are again given. That is, a snake swallow their prey whole. Frogs have a long sticky tongue that help them to catch insects. Fishes such as shark eat smaller fish. They have several small sharp teeth that help them to cut into flesh of the prey. So you will not write this small point. You will not write these smallest point. At least you have to write one long point, and 2 you can write the smaller point. But at least you have to write 1 point from either first or second. Okay. Next. Now we will look towards the next question. This is question number 10. What are omnivores? Give 2 example. So this answer is given on page number 15. This is the definition. You will write answer from here. Animals that eat both plant and animal are called omnivorous animal or omnivores. Example: bear, crow, raccoons and human beings. Okay, page number 15, omnivores paragraph, answer number 10. Okay, next. Question: what are scavengers? Give 2 example. So this answer again on page number 15. It is given here. Animals that feed on dead animals are called scavengers. They do not hunt animal but eat animal that are already dead. Examples: vultures and jackals. This is answer number 11. Next. Last question, what are decomposers? Give two examples. So this again on page number 15. So it is given here. Decomposers are the certain living organism that act on dead plant and animal and break them into simple soluble substance that mix with the soil. Such organisms are called decomposers. Fungi and bacteria are the example. This is answer number 12. So your chapter here along with question answer is completed, and and after this I will tell you the diagrams and activities. So activities, there is only one activity in this chapter. It is on page number 12. So you have to write this activity in your copy. Okay, you have to write this activity in your copy. Okay, on the white page. This activity you will write on the plain sheet. This you will write on the plain paper, that is without ruled. Okay. Okay.